Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today I'm going to show you 5 different projects you can build that make great Mother's Day gifts.
We'll see.
Let's get into it.
This is going to be so much fun!
Project number 1 is going to be a Lazy Susan, and this makes a great gift for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's a super simple woodworking project that anyone at any skill level can build. Secondly, you can really add a lot of personalization to this to make it a very special gift. As you can see, I used a CNC on this one, but you could also carve it, you could paint it, you could use a transfer on it, wood burn it, or throw it in a laser if you have one of those. There's just so many options here.
So many options.
If you're not too keen on cutting a perfect circle like this, they actually sell blanks just like this at all home improvement big box stores. A Lazy Susan is a great addition to any dining area. It is super practical, and with all the personalization options, it makes a really special gift. I'll make sure to leave a link to the brackets that I use on mine in the description below. Project number 2 is another useful item, and that is a set of custom coasters. Just like the Lazy Susan, coasters can be made at any skill level, and they're really easy to personalize. One of my favorite parts about this project is that you're not locked into the traditional shapes of round or square. You can make them any shape you want, like these little apples in case your mom's a teacher, or these little pumpkins, or these mini breadboards. It's such a simple project, and with a custom stand like this, it can make a really nice gift that your mom can show off to all her guests. Project number 3 is going to be a planter or a plant stand. Whether your mom likes to work around in the garden or she just likes to have some green plants around the house, a custom-made planter or plant stand can make a great gift. As you can see, there's so many variations of shapes and sizes that you can make. Now, the only downside to this project is that kind of locks you into having to buy plants and maybe some nice pots.
That's a lot.
It kind of turns into a whole thing, but at the end of the day, she is your mom, so it is worth it, right?
You say so.
But fair warning, do not make a planter or a plant stand and give it to her empty. Just saying. Speaking of a variety of shapes, sizes, and styles, our next project idea is going to be a picture frame. Again, this is one of those projects that you can go in so many different directions. It's perfect for any woodworker at any skill level. But at the end of the day, a custom frame with a picture of a fond memory of you and your mom is a perfect gift.
That's so true.
Project number 5 is a little bit different, but I figured I would add it to the list anyway, and that is a coffee pod holder. Now, almost everybody is using a coffee machine that takes pods nowadays, and I'm sure you've seen those little mesh baskets that the machine sits on to hold all the pods. This particular one that I made here actually hangs on the wall, and I ordered this front piece off of Amazon. I just built a simple box with a door and attached it right to the front of the door so we can have a little extra storage. But just replacing that mesh basket with a custom piece is a great way to step up your mom's coffee station, and it's something that she'll actually use every day or multiple times a day. I don't know, she's your mom. Alright, well that does it for our list of Mother's Day project ideas. We have full build videos for each one of these projects. I'll leave all those links in the description below. A big shout out to all our Grove members. Thank you so much for supporting us so that we can continue to make projects like these and more content. I hope this gave you some good ideas of projects that you can work on for Mother's Day. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.